Hi guys, Mrs. Francis again. During our Zoom call this morning, it was suggested that I go through this good morning slide so you know what to fill in. It looks like several of you have gone in and done this, but in case there's any question, you're going to have this each morning, so this will be the first thing that you do after you've checked and made sure that your internet's working, and that your microphone's working, and all that good stuff. So that's stuff you should be doing from 8 to 8:30, and then at 8:30 we'll come together on our Zoom call. So really quickly on this good morning slide, and I'm just filling this in as the sample student, the wish well box is where you're going to type anyone that you're thinking about, maybe somebody's not feeling well, things like that. So on my wish well, I'm trying to think if there's anybody that I know that's not feeling well. I am not sure, so I'm just going to put my son here, just because I hope he has a great day, okay? But this would be anyone that you're thinking about. And then celebrations would be anything that maybe you're looking forward to, anything you're excited about, anything that maybe has happened lately. Maybe you've gotten a new toy, maybe you've gotten a new pet, maybe you're going on a trip, maybe, I don't know. I'm celebrating, hopefully, crossing my fingers, that baseball season will be starting soon. Okay, and that box will adjust as you type. Today I commit to kicking off summer school. Okay, so hopefully we can all get going and rolling with no issues. Gratitude. I'm thankful for my new puppy Theo. I'm thankful for my son. I'm thankful for my husband Tim. And I'm thankful for my 3 cats. And that can be people, that can be things, anything you want to type there, okay? So that would be this slide. And I'm anxious to see if we can come up with new ideas each day. And then on this next slide is our week at a glance. And this will be on every good morning slide deck, because I want you to be able to take a look at what you need to accomplish for the week. On the most recent one, I've updated this. You are to work on 2 math and 2 reading iReady lessons for the week. So it's 2 math, 2 reading, at least. If you want to do more, then you are welcome to. And then finally, on Fridays, you don't have any iReady because you're going to be doing a STEAM activity that I will assign on SeeSaw. And that'll just be a fun activity for you to work on. And then at 10:45, we're coming back together, don't forget, for another Zoom call. And then finally, the last slide that you'll see each day is your daily checklist. You are welcome to go in, and it will let you actually check these off if you want, okay, as you work on them. If you are checking these off, you can just save this as a draft and then turn it in at the end of your learning. So turn it in after you've completed everything. Just a reminder, here's your Google Classroom code in case you haven't done that as well. Okay, if you have extra time, there's writing prompts and a math spiral review that are available for you on Google Classroom. So both of those things are there. Okay, and then when you're done and you feel like you have finished everything, you're just going to hit this green check mark and it will save it. All right, if you hit draft, it's still going to allow you to go back and access it. Okay, if you have any questions about this, feel free, let me know.